Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I'm here to show you a few of the new club kits for June 2020 from Spellbinders. I received the small die of the month, the large die of the month, and the Glimmer foil kits each month. This month I also received the card kit of the month because it was really cute and I decided I wanted it. So I'll link to that video unboxing below. Anyway, I received these three as a group, and so it's $52 to receive them all together. And I think the large die of the month is like $27.50. This one's like $22. They're different prices, but you get a good break if you get a few of them together as a package deal. So that's what I did. But this is the small die of the month, and let me show you. I've made a project with that. I'll show you what it turned out to look like. Isn't that cute, those hands? The way the hands work is you've got the hand, and then you've got this background. So I did mine in black, and it kind of looks like there's a little glove or a shadow, which I really liked. And then there's all these various flowers. I just used this one with the pieces that go on the front of it, and then I used some Nuvo drops to put some little accents there. But as you can see, you've got different shapes, you've got some different leaves, you've got the stem, you've got these detail pieces. I mean, really cute, and you could do so much with this. I just put this together really quickly so you could kind of see what the hands look like. Got a little fuzz on there. And then this is a sentiment set from Spellbinders that I've had for a while. It's 14 pieces. It has birthday wishes, a whole bunch of things on it. And I will link to that below too. But really cute, these hands. I love them. So pretty. Okay, the next one is the large die of the month. Well, let me show you both, the large die of the month and the Glimmer foil. So the Glimmer foil has a lot of really cool sentiments, and I've foiled them all so I can show them to you. And then the large die has these frames and a lot of greenery and some flowers and some buds. So let me show you the two cards I made using both of these. This is this largest frame, and then I put the greenery and some flowers around it, and this foil this month that came with it is black foil. And I guess hold on, let me grab that. It is called, it's just called black. I thought it would be called ebony or something cool, but it's just black. So that's what you always receive, a new foil each month when you get the Glimmer kit. So I did all of these in the black because I think that's really pretty. So this one says, friends make everything better. This one says, the best is yet to come. When you cut this particular die out, it has these little openings you can see here. And so I cut it out twice. I cut it out once in this purple color, and then I cut it out once in black. And so I used the little inlay pieces and put it inside the black frame here. And then I kind of glitched them up, put a little glitter. But I think this one turned out really cute. And so I have a few pieces left from doing this. I didn't keep all the little inlay pieces. I could have, though. But you get these center pieces come out. I didn't use them because I wanted to do the sentiments in the center. But let me show you the other sentiments. Congrats on your special day. A little note to say thanks. And happy birthday and many more. So you have 5 different sentiments that come with this Glimmer foil and the foil this month. I think this is one of my favorite when they have the beautiful sentiments, and also to have black foil. Because I've got gold, silver, you know, I've got all the basic colors, but I didn't have any black, which I really enjoyed using. I know it probably doesn't show up on camera how pretty that black is, but it's really gorgeous. So this is the Cut and Glimmer, I think, club it's called. I will link to it below, but really this is one of the best months I think that they've had in a while with these 3. These are just beautiful, all 3 of them. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, let me know. And happy crafting.